Are you at home and wondering how do people create videos for YouTube? I have no idea. How do I grow a channel? Welcome to this channel. My name is James and this is the Creator Growth Academy. Our main objective is to help you as a creator to create a brand for yourself on social media and to grow your brand and as well make money and make an impact in the sector that you want to do that. So in this particular video, I will share with you how I was able to go from 0 to 100 subscribers on YouTube. Let's get started. The first thing is to have a channel trailer. If you go onto your YouTube, you'll see somewhere where it says upload channel trailer, which is about 60 seconds to about 2 minutes, just something small. Anytime that a movie is supposed to come out or a series is supposed to come out, the first thing they do is to do a trailer. This is a summary of what to expect in that particular movie or series or whatever TV show it is. And that's the same thing that you should do. There is a video that has been done by the video influencers, which is a checklist on the 6 things that you should include in your channel trailer. What I'll do, I'll put it in the description below as well as in the card up here so that you go after watching this, watch that so that you can create your own channel trailer. We are working on one and probably it may have already come out before you watch this video, but that's an example of how to do a channel trailer. The second thing to do is to share your first video on the platform. There is no way that you will get new engaged subscribers and new important subscribers if you don't already have just at least one video on the channel. This is because whenever you start telling people to subscribe to your channel, what they will expect is that at least they will watch one video on your channel. And don't give yourself a lot of pressure about the quality of that video or the production value of that particular video. I will, as we speak, share my very first video right here that I actually uploaded to YouTube.
So today I decided to start a YouTube channel. May not have a lot of content, but it will come. Just the same way that I've been doing Facebook videos and Facebook lives. Now this is another channel that I'm using. And let's do this.
That was cringe, right? But that is how I started. And I couldn't allow myself to not upload content just because I didn't know what I was doing. I had no idea the things I was doing, but I still uploaded my very first video. And that's exactly the thing that you should do. And you're lucky because you're watching this video and you can actually get a step-by-step process that will get you on the right road even better than I did myself, because I'll share with you the things that I went through, the tactics that I know actually work, the tips that can make your first video much better than how mine was. The third thing that you need to do is to join communities of other content creators, other YouTubers. I am personally in 2 groups, and the thing that happens in these groups is that people ask so many questions, and the questions they ask actually help each other to grow. And if you have less than 100 subscribers, this can be the perfect way to actually gain subscribers. There are people who are there who would love to subscribe to your channel. But this is a thing that you shouldn't do. Don't just go into a new group and then you just say,
"Sub for sub, I will subscribe to your channel if you will subscribe to mine."
That's not how it works. Just share your link in there and people will like your video and people will critique your video. That is the essence of these communities. And what I personally do is that the moment I see someone's video who I have not yet checked them out, I always go check the video out. I can give them constructive criticism if it is something that I don't really feel, then I will tell them what my opinion is privately. But in the comment section, what I will do is that I will actually give an engaged comment because I have watched their video, give them the way that video has impacted me. Because the truth is, creating a video is not easy. And as a content creator, it is upon you to participate in the community that that person has. They may have less subscribers than you, they may have more subscribers than you, but what tends to happen is if you engage in communities of people who you are subscribed to, what will happen is that their members of their audience will actually check you out, and as well that particular creator will notice you because you always bring a positive impact to their audience. This is the same thing that I did when I was actually starting as a creator. I would actually go to videos where people would be asking questions, and I would check that the content creator had not answered those questions, and I'd take it upon myself because I knew the answers to actually answer them for them. So what would happen is that content creator, when they finally came to it, they would come, they would love the comments that I had given, and the person whose question I answered would actually wonder, who is this who is actually helping people out? So let me go and check what they are doing. I would never in any person's comments go and say subscribe to my channel, because that is against the YouTube terms of service. The truth is, if you actually do this, you risk losing your channel because that is spam, and then you create a very bad relationship with the content creator, which is the opposite thing that you want. You actually want this content creator to like you, and you never know the kind of impact that it will have on your channel. I have people who've come into my comments who now have become friends in real life because they came in, they engaged in my community, they asked questions, and now we are actually looking at how can we be able to work together as we create content on YouTube. This is a thing that you're actually looking for, because you never know, someone may shout you out on their channel, then it increases your subscribers by 10 or by 15 or even 5 new subscribers. That's the thing that you're trying to get. We are actually trying to get to 100 subscribers. The fourth thing that you can do is to physically get people to subscribe to your channel. That's something that I admit I actually did when I was doing my first channel. I'd actually meet someone, like my cousins, would actually meet them and then tell them, by the way, I have started a YouTube channel. And then they'll look at me like, what do you mean you've started a YouTube channel? And I would subscribe to my channel on their phones. That's actually what I used to do. I don't advise that you do this with people who don't know you. I used to do that because at the end of the day, I go and sleep and say, I have 60 subscribers. I have 61 subscribers. And the truth is, these are additional people that are on your channel. And the thing you need to also remember is that there are some people who will always watch your content, who will come to your content and comment on your content and never ever subscribe. It happens. But the thing is, continue creating content. 100 subscribers is the hardest milestone on YouTube. 1,000 subscribers is a bit easier than 100, because 0 to 100 is people wondering, do they even trust you that you will come again? Do you have the quality that they would like? Are you doing original content? Why aren't people subscribed to your channel? These are the questions that the people who are subscribing before you get to 100 are asking themselves. So don't get discouraged. This is what you should do. Get to the 100 subscribers. Because when you get to 100 subscribers, this is what happens. You actually get a new feature opened on your channel, which allows you to put your custom name on your channel. So your channel will no longer be youtube.com/UVX, all those things, and I'll share mine here. But you can actually be able to put in your name, your brand, as youtube.com/yourbrand. That is an important milestone on YouTube. And once you get there, then we can start talking about growing your channel to get to 1,000 subscribers. Because the tactics I share here are things that I have used before, I continually am using as I go on. And this is my second channel, so the first channel I'll actually place it up here so that you can see that I'm actually talking about things that I know. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, share them in the comments below. And if you want to learn how to edit your videos on your mobile phone, then check this first video that is up here, the app that I use when I'm editing on my phone. And YouTube thinks that this video would actually be the one that will really be good for you to watch. See you in the next one.